In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the FET, the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance token on Coinbase. So what we need to do is log into our Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. The next step is to log into your account, and once you are there we will click on the search bar right on top and there we will type in FET, and as you can see the token is over here. Now we will click on it and you will be redirected to the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here and we can select different time frames to see what this coin has done in the past. So next to that you got some information about this token and also some stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply and the all-time high of course. And once you have read through all of that, then you can go back up, and to the right side there we have the trading options. We have three options: a buy option, sell and convert option. And for this video we are using the buy option because we would like to buy this coin. Beside of that you also have a order type, and we are using the one-time order. That is basically a single order for the current market price. And you also have an option for a recurring buy. And if you are planning to buy these coins on a regular base, then you should select the recurring buy, especially if you start DCAing. Then it's a very useful order type. And for now we will leave it on a one-time order. Beside of that we also need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this order. Let's say 1000 euros. Now you will see how much coins you will receive in return. The next step is to select our payment method. Here we can select it by clicking on it, and once you have done that, this list will be opened. If your preferred payment method is not available in this list, then just click on add a new payment method and it will be added to this list. Once you have done that, select it and check always if you have selected the right coin. Yeah, we have selected the right coin for now, so we can click on review order. Now I will give you guys a very useful tip. You can save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase. As you can see, we are paying a trading fee. And for this order alone it is already 38 euros. But if you use Coinbase One, then you won't pay any trading fees up to 10k a month. You can try it out for free for 7 days. And after those 7 days it will be 25 euros I believe. So it is already profitable by just using the subscription. Once you have decided to buy these coins, then you can click on buy now and these coins will be automatically added to buy assets on the left side. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!